Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so what you're looking at is the inside of the Cool Gadget USB cable to USB, and I wanted to see what was inside of this cable. And as you can see, there's like a fire protecting layer, which is like a foam type of layer, that white layer that you see. And you got your green, white, red, and black, and yellow wires, which does indicate fast charging. So I'm going to open this a little bit, because this is the cable. I want you guys to see how they made this cable. It's pretty cool, actually, because you don't see much cables with some type of fire protected layer inside, as you can see. So this is a Cool Gadget cable. And you can see where I cut it with the scissors. Now, most cables that do so-called claim they are fast charging cables do not come with this fire protection layer. It's pretty open. But I just want to show you guys in real time, when I cut it, this is how it looked. And this is the USB cable. Now I'm sacrificing this cable just to show you the quality control on this particular cable from Cool Gadget. This is what they send me. So I'm sorry, Cool Gadget, that I'm actually tearing this up, but we need to find out if your cables are actually worth the money and time, because a lot of cables do not perform as they say they claim. So we need to make sure. See, yep, there's a white, there's a red, there's a yellow, there's a green, there's a black. You can see all the cables. This is fast charging, everyone. Super fast charging, actually. Cable. There you go. So my name is ThePandaPhotographer, everyone, and I just sacrificed my cable to show you in real time that Cool Gadget did send me these cables with the power bank they sent me, which was this particular power bank. This cable came in the box with that power bank, so I wanted to sacrifice this cable. So with that said, everyone, this has been a Cool Gadget cable moment, and now you have seen the insides of the Cool Gadget cables. So with that said, everyone, thank you for watching. See ya.